Hi, this is Jagdish, Assistant Professor of EC Department, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And actually, we are discussing about optical and microwave lecture series in previous episodes. So, in this episode, we are going to discuss about the topic Erbium-Doped Fiber. So, that is EDP. So, this Erbium-Doped Fiber is one of the photo detector. So, already we know what is photo detector and what's the process of photo detector in the optical fiber communication. So let me give a brief about this photo detector once again. So photo detector is nothing but it will detect the light signal, it will detect the electrical signal and convert into a light signal. So this conversion actually takes place in the photo detector. So actually from the transmitter we use the optical sources, different optical sources to transfer the data information to the destination point. So destination point anyhow we need the information back as we transmitted in the transmitter end. So we supposed to need the photo detector. Already in the previous episodes we discussed about pin diode and APD, that is avalanche photodiode. And this episode we are going to discuss about erbium fiber, erbium doped fiber, that is EDP. Right. So first thing, why actually this erbium doped fiber especially means that erbium, which is extracted from the earth surface, it's a material, chemical appropriate material. So that has the property of amplifying the light signal. So that's the very important thing why we are going for this erbium doped fiber. So because of this amplification characteristics, right? So when the weak signal is, when we are giving the weak signal, so there is no separate unities required to amplify the signal, right? So this itself, this erbium material itself will amplify and will give to the next section in the receiver block. So that's a very good advantage for this erbium doped fiber. And also especially here actually we are using erbium and anyhow we are going to use erbium in this photo detector and pump laser we are using. So pump laser in the sense actually the laser is nothing but we know that is a coherent light, right? So when the laser is given, the light signal is given, right? What happens? The erbium will amplify it, right? The erbium will amplify and there is no extra things required for amplify the signal, right? So that your manpower and power, cost, time, everything is saving, right? So the amplification takes place and further we can the implementation of this photo detector is very simple one, and this easily the erbium material is easily extracted from the earth surface. That's also biggest advantage of this material. So this is also one kind of a thing. And one more thing, so the laser we know the laser the visible light have some spectrum, some range, some nanometer range. This specifically this erbium doped fiber which is used for which will give the good result and which will boost up the signal in with the range of 1550 nanometer. In this nanometer, this can able to amplify the signal, weak signal, even a very weak signal, it can be able to amplify. So this is the advantage and the characteristics and properties of that is erbium doped fiber, that is EDF. So okay, so already we have so far we discussed pin, APD and EDF. So see, different kinds of photo detectors are being used even in industries and many places, right? So one thing we have to look into the when we are selecting the appropriate the photo detector, because the purpose is important, right? So if the light signal is very weak one and we need to transmit for a long distance without any amplification, separate amplification block or separate amplification circuit, you can go for this erbium doped fiber, or else you can go for another pin diode you may go, or the avalanche photodiode APD we can go, right? So the purpose is most important thing in any kind of optical fiber communication, right? So the remaining the associated blocks, right, other than this photo detector, some other blocks are there that we already discussed in the previous episodes. So this is all about the erbium doped fiber. And if you have any queries, you can post your queries and suggestions or anything you have to know about this topic further, you can post it in the comment section. And if you really like this one, you can make a like to this video, and you can share to your friends and the students who are interested to do the research in the photodetector or the optical fiber communication. And you can, if you like more, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.